There's Blue, which is one of our original chickens that we got. That big chocolate Orpington that just ran in that coop. It's not supposed to be there. That's Amber. And then this one right here is Hey Hey. She's a splash white crested Polish. And it's Buckshot. That is Fancy Pants, our Sultan. I'll tell you, we had a whole adventure trying to have a Sultan. We wanted several Sultans. She's our only one that survived. That looks to be Harley Hen in the back, the white silky, which would make this one Ghost. And then those two silkies are Cookie, black one, and then Cream, right there in the back. No, these guys got, what do they have? That's Madame Rosa, the Dominic in the front, that looks kind of like a barred rock. Bring that back! They have a hair tie. What are you doing with that? Drop it, it's not a worm. Thank you. That's Charlie. She found a hair tie. And she was very proud of that hair tie finding. They're all just enjoying themselves before they gotta go in because it's gonna storm. Oh, hey. This is Piranha. She's an Easter egger. Over there, that one was named Death. She's also an Easter egger. Not sure why my kid named her Death, because she's real sweet. So this coop is for the Silkies and the Millefleurs and Sultans and Polish. Basically all of our small chickens. Amber's in here going, nope, I want your food. The one in the back is Kung Fu Nugget. Right there. She's a happy one. All right. Well. She's not a fan of the phone. Keep watching. Follow if you're enjoying seeing all of our animals and the things they do. And you'll soon see some of our animal encounters that we enjoy doing, or zoo visits, etc. So follow, like, subscribe, share all these guys with your friends.